G'day everyone. In this week's video I'm going to be building up the new wheels that I got from Light Bicycle, but first I have to learn how. So I found a nice little video from my friend Ali Clarkson.
Hey everyone, you may have seen on my Instagram I built up a pimp new wheel. Actually it's right here. I built up this pimp new wheel and I asked a question: would you guys like a wheel building tutorial?
Yes I would. Well, I've been following Ali Clarkson's instructions on how to build a wheel, and so far it seems to be coming out actually rather decent. Looking forward to getting it finished. That's stage 3 of the wheel building process done, and it's actually looking very much like a wheel now. Just need to put in stage 4 and then tighten everything up. So it properly looks like a wheel now, and it even spins. Got a fair bit of wobble in it though. Mind you, I've only tightened them up finger tight, so there is that. We've got this wheel in the stand, just truing it to make sure it's all good. And once that's done, time to put on the new cassette, put some rim tape on it, put a tyre around it and some tubeless sealant, and then pump it up and stick it on the snot rocket. After much tensioning and fiddling and sore fingers, it is now a straight wheel that is pretty much ready to be ridden on. I just need to do the tensioning test and all that, and yeah, we'll move on to the next wheel. So we're about to do the tensioning test. Well, this part scares me, but apparently, according to Mr. Clarkson, this is the best way to do it. In his video, he had his entire weight on the wheel. Probably weigh a fair bit more than him. That's that side done. Now this side. So the wheels are all built up now. Time to slap some tyres on there and get them installed. I've already put the rim tape in, so all good. That's a thumbs up. And we've got the gold cassette to go with the green and gold build. It's going to look real nice.
And now the wheels are built, it's time to stress test them.
It's really grippy at the moment. We had rain earlier in the week. This is also the first ride I'm doing on these wheels that I've built up. Carbon rims thanks to Light Bicycle, and some Spank hex drive hubs. And I must have done a semi-decent job building it up. Because the only noises I've heard so far are from the cassette. Oh wow. The new hex drive hub sounds amazing coming down though. How good is this dirt at the moment though? So aside from being really chilly, that was a really good run. The dirt is so good right now.
It's amazing.
The new wheels are amazing. And the new hub sounds amazing. The whole way down, I was just listening to it. I know I should be talking to the video, but I couldn't help it.
Say what you really think about it.
I love them. I want one. Yeah, it'll happen one day. It'll happen. Well, thanks for tuning in again. We'll have to, I don't know, best 3 or 5.
Something like that.
Yeah. We'll do a best 3 or 5. See how many times she can catch me and beat me. Yeah, you're getting quicker.
Yeah.
Cheers. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications, do all that deal. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.